Jai Hind India Future. How are you all? Today I am about to tell my experience. I have completed 3 months of English course, and my experience is good because when three after sorry before 3 months I didn't know how to speak English, but this time I know how to speak English very well, and I use some sentences in English like I am going. Where are you coming from? I just and many things, many sentences I use daily life in daily life, and uh, when I joined coaching, then I didn't know how to speak English. But gradually, I have complete 4 days, 3 days, 10 days after, and 20 days. Gradually, I started to speak English sentences. I used I started to use in a daily life in a, in a sentence sentence, and I am speaking English very well. I am speaking English, and if we talk about how to do I practice, because practice is most important in English, because without practice we can't speak English. So that's the reason I do practice like first I talk other people who know English. I use I have a fluency where there are many people present there, and they speak English, and I also present here, and I talk in English, and I practice daily. I practice, and I talk my teacher, and I talk my teacher with English, and when I speak wrong, then they tell you speak wrong and you improve. You can improve here. You can improve your sentence, and you do practice. And I improve I improve, and I improve, and I also improve, because I know at this time I can speak, but I I know I I am not able to make long sentences, but I know I am able to make little sentences, and in future I make long sentences. I will speak very fluently in English, because this time I don't learn. I don't remember main vocab, so this reason in English vocab is very important. But some rules, if we know, then we can speak, because I know some rules. I know some sentence. I know some things, so I can speak English. Uh, but for becoming more for becoming a good speaker, we must learn vocab, because vocab is important, because some people who is a good speaker in English, they know a lot of vocab, and they use a lot of vocab, and they use grammar rules, and they use conjunction, but without vocab we can't speak English. So it's my according to me, vocab is very important in English. So I learn vocab daily, and I improve my sentence. I use vocab, and through vocab I make sentence, and I speak. So this reason I and there are many ways I practice. Uh, many ways I practice. And this time English is very important because everywhere English is everywhere use of English. If we talk about government or private, and in rural areas, people start to starts to speak English, and every people use English words. Whether he's he know about Hindi language, English language, and other language. He use English language. He use English word for talking other people. We use also we use also like people say some words use like famous, like, and other many sentences they you people use on daily basis. So, but people know don't didn't know that I can use I can make sentence. People don't use, but they use some words. They use some language, some sentences in English. This time, every people has phone, and in phone there are many teachers who tell about how to speak English, but without practice we can't speak English. So it's problem. That's problem. People don't know. People people are not able to speak English. But if we we get practice, then we speak. We will speak very fluently. Uh, so practice is most important. Uh, Most important.